Hi, welcome to my channel today. Today's video is quite an interesting collector's item. It's a 7-day set that I'm going to start shave testing over the next few videos. And this is for the benefit of the customer that has bought this set from my Etsy shop. So basically it's a leather bound wooden case in really nice condition. Nice and clean. This shows the proportion, if you like. You can see quite a big box. The catches open by sliding this bar to the right and to the right again, and then we've got this lovely set. 7-day set. I'll just take this blade holder to one side because that's loose, and I'll just show you the contents if I can. You've got all the blades here from Monday through to Sunday. This contraption here is the actual shaving handle. As you can see, very nice clean condition. And you may be wondering what this bit is in the middle with the handle. And what it is the I'll just put the box down for now. It says this way up, and your strap, your blade sits in the middle section, the strap goes over these rollers, and then the blade is moved from side to side with these gears. This is the first ever safety razor, or one of them, made around 1880 to 1900. So I'll just pop this back in the box for now. This way up. And today we're going to shave test Monday's blade. So just grab my glasses for now. So I'll take out Mondays. Firstly, I find it's easier to strap by just loading the blade into there and then just going up and down your strap as you would do normally. It's faster. Just lock that up. So this blade holder is on a hinge. You can see the hinge there. I'll just come out of the shot. And the top part here is the locking device that actually locks the blade in place. So here is Monday's blade. Slide the blade into the handle like that, and then push that into position. and we're ready to go. That's locked tight. So, first ever safety razor. The blades are hollow ground, just like a straight razor, and a wedge design. But it's cut through there. This oversized head has got the nickname of the foam catcher. It's got the name Star. It's made by two brothers, Kampfe Brothers. A nice bit of shaving history. And albeit I've restored the main working, I'm just in the throes of doing the rest of the blades, restoring the rest of the blades. But I think it's done well. To survive from 1880 and 1900 when it was made. And by the time I've finished restoring the blades, it'll be good to go. Just with like any other safety razor, just keep the blade almost flat to your face. There we have it, there's Mondays. And then all you do is just to take this out, let's put my glasses on again, you simply, this bar here, let's come out of the shot. This bar, you just pull it back. That's a bit of a, let me just do it the other way. Ah, that's it. Just push it out, you just push it downwards. That's it, up, and just get hold of it and pull it down. Push it up. Pull it down. And then just simply take the blade out. And that's it. Nice and easy. So next shave test will be Tuesdays and Wednesdays blade, and maybe in a couple of days let some stubble grow again. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and catch up with you in a couple of days. Bye for now.